this sun, I don't even know where it's from. It's trying to spoil my shine, eh? So, as in, I must shine my shine. Oh, I cannot come and keep myself. Hello, people. How far? What's up? So, I just want to say something that I've really observed in most African communities, and I realized that this life is really nothing. And I just want to tell whoever is watching me right now, I just want to tell you that wherever you find yourself and in whatever or whatsoever you're doing, I just want you to live your life, live the best life ever that you want to live. Just live it, live your life, because guess what, you may not even know when you'll be gone, dead, buried, forgotten. Why am I saying this? I've realized that in most African communities, people, or let's say from my own community, I don't want to generalize the African community, sorry. So I have realized that a lot of people would rather spend $1,000, $2,000, $500, $100, 200 or more dollars trying to take a flight to go somewhere that someone is dead. And when they go there, they buy all sort of drinks and drink, get drunk, eat as much as they like. After that, what's next? They live their lives. But what even annoys me, or why I'm making this video, is because when this person who died was alive, maybe he or she was asking for money, saying, oh, please, can you just give me $50? Maybe I'm sick and I need to go to the hospital or whatsoever. These people will never do that. They will never give that money to that person. They will never support the person whatsoever. And now this person is dead, buried, forgotten, and the person, I'm not trying to disrespect the dead here, don't get me wrong. The person is dead, buried, forgotten, and the person is probably already rotten in the ground. Forgive me, I'm not trying to be disrespectful or something like I'm saying, but you would rather you take a flight, go buy food, enjoy, invite your friends, and make merry. But when this person was still living, guess what? You will never ever do that. Why am I saying this? I'm trying to tell you that if you have whatever amount you have, $1, $2, and you want to eat it and you want to share with somebody, do that now, because you don't know what tomorrow may really hold for you. You don't know what tomorrow may hold for them. So if you have $10, don't say $10 is little. $5 can make a change in someone's life in the US or in Africa or wherever. And if you think with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind that that's all you have and that's the best you can actually give somebody, go ahead and give them. When you give them, let them enjoy, because tomorrow when they are no more, you cannot do anything. So this is not only about somebody particular. I just want to tell you, can be your parents. Now that they are still alive, the only thing and the highest thing you can do for them is to actually give them whatever finances that you have, whatever amount of money you're making, because when the time, God forbid, I'm not saying I want your parents to die now, no, God forbid, the day they are no more, there's nothing, absolutely nothing that you can do for them. Absolutely nothing. So now is the time. If you want to help your sister, you want to help your brother, you want to help your mother, you want to help your father, your auntie, uncle, cousins, nieces and nephews, now is the time. They will never need your money. They will never need your finances. They will never need your pieces of advice. They will never need your help when they are 6 feet. Now is the time. If you are able to give them something, if you are able to encourage them, you are able to help them start a business, now is the time. People, let's stop wasting money, trying, your money can never make someone who is already dead come back or get up. It's never going to happen. It's never ever going to happen. Maybe it's going to happen from maybe your direction. I don't know about me, but I know for sure that when someone is dead, that's it. You can never change it. You can never turn back the hands of time. So you listening to me, you watching me, if you think you want to help your mother, your father, your whoever, you want to take care of your kids, now is the time, because when the time is gone, you can never regain it. Please use your finances for better stuff. I'm not saying that when someone is dead, you cannot maybe spend money to make everything a success. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, if you have the opportunity now to help them or to contribute something into their lives, now is the time. Don't wait for the time that they are all dead or they do not really need your help. That's when you're trying to render help to them. Because this has been on my mind for a while, and I just said, let me just share with you and encourage someone. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, it's Bella.